Here's how to use Lovart AI. First is go to www.lovartai.com and you will be redirected on their official page, since this is not applicable on download options. Now click on the generate art, and then afterwards you will be able to see this page wherein what you need to do is to put on the prompts that you want to generate the art with. So let's say for example, we are going to describe our vision that we wanted to generate an art wherein a dancing monkey. Now, put on the prompts and afterwards below you will see there the art style. Now click on that and select what kind of art style you would like the prompts to be. So is it an anime, watercolor, abstract? It depends on you. Now click on the generate art options. Now afterwards, wait for a few seconds and then the picture or the art will appear. So it's not appearing since we don't have an account yet. So we have to avail a pro account before we actually see the full art. Now scroll down and you will be able to see there the download options to download your work.